Hello, this is Nick from Nexus Property Management, Worcester. Just coming today to show you this new apartment that we have for rent right now. This is 28 Almont Ave, and this is a 2-bed, 1-bathroom apartment in Worcester, Massachusetts. And I just want to start off by showing you what it looks like when you come in through the front here. So it's got kind of a classic setup for one of these 3-decker buildings where you have the 2 parlor rooms as soon as you walk in. That's of course, the door that goes out into the front hallway. Although when you walk into this one, you notice that it's very kind of different just because of how good the quality of a lot of the finishes in here look. Like, for example, the fresh paint and the freshly polished floors are just floors that are in really just great condition. With the shine, you can really see when you're in here all the shine of the new condition of the floor. And I just really like it. And I'm going to try to do my best to go around and give you the best idea of the dimensions of this place as I can, just from being in the corners and everything. But that being said, these living rooms are very big, both of them. So easily big enough for more than one entertainment system and more than one sectional couch sitting. Or one can be used exclusively as a dining room, although there is some space in the kitchen too. But yeah, that's the main thing of the living room. Here's a radiator heat gas. So it's gas heat that goes throughout the building. And then over here, this is one of the 2 bedrooms. This is the one that's going to go more towards the front side. And the bedroom has individual heating with the baseboard, so it's separate from the radiator. And it looks really good in here. You know, there's easily big enough space for a queen size bed with a desk or a dresser. Either one, but just to be able to fill up that space. Also, I didn't mention, but these doors do close, so you can close between the living room and the dining room. And then over here is the rest of the apartment. So kitchen to the other 2 rooms, and the back room and the pantry. So bathroom over there. This is the kitchen. Here's the set of new stainless steel appliances that were just installed. And you have the full set. So it's the 4-top electric stove with a stainless steel fridge, stainless steel dishwasher, still got the stickers on, as well as the rest of the finishes in here looking just great. Same thing with the shiny floors, cabinets in here, all in great condition. The other thing I didn't mention is that there's a good amount of light that comes through this apartment. Windows wrapping all around, and it's no different here. Right now we're in the morning, so we're kind of getting the sun coming from this way, but it's just sunrise and very nice. And this room over here, this is the pantry, so it's just a little bit of extra cabinet space, a little bit extra countertop space as well. And that's right next to the kitchen. So that's the kitchen in there. We'll take a look out the back door in a second. I just want to show you the bedroom and the bathroom. So this is the bathroom here. Everything in here is in great condition too. Still got the stickers in the medicine cabinet. It's almost like a vanity mirror because of the light that it has right there. And very much like seeing what it's like in here. Tub is totally clean. And it's very big, very spacious. Almost feels like you could put like a small shelving unit or something in there still and it would fit. And here's the other bedroom. So you have bedroom 1 over there, and this is bedroom 2. It's got the baseboard heating in here as well, so it's never really going to be like a cold spot. And same things in here, queen size bed with a desk, with a dresser, and just looks really good in there as well. So very impressed with how the apartment came out, all in all. Being here in the morning, it's only going to get brighter in here, and it's already pretty bright. And then here's the back. So this is the rear exit. This goes out to the common area. What's specifically for this unit is this storage space right here. As you can see, here's the hookups for the washer and dryer machines. So laundry hookups come with this unit. There is a potential if you didn't have laundry, you could use it as storage space as well, but laundry is offered. So that's what comes with it there. And yeah, if you have any questions or want to see any of the other units that we have listed, including this one, you can go to our website at www.nexuswor.com and go to our For Rent page to see the full list of our vacancies. And once again, this has been Nick from Nexus Property Management, Worcester, at 28 Almont Ave, Unit 3.